This video will demonstrate how to properly repair the Samsung ice maker when the following issues arise. First, verify that all parts of the ice room repair kit are present. These will include an ice maker, a drain tube heater, a plastic bracket and Y-clips, a zip tie, and a PCB. The ice bucket is stuck due to ice buildup. Another issue may be the ice is stuck and no ice is dispensing. Before starting, make sure you check for any error codes in diagnostic mode. Now, put the refrigerator into force run or force defrost mode for at least 5 minutes to start defrost of the cooling loop. Refer to STG for specific model procedure. After defrosting for 5 minutes, open the door and try removing the ice bucket. If the ice bucket is stuck, use a steamer to melt the ice until you can remove the bucket. Never use a heat gun or a hairdryer. Inspect the condition of the ice bucket. Check for any cracks or fractures of the seal. Next, inspect the ice route flapper for a proper seal when closed. Check the ice route. Add some water to test for leaks. Inspect the ice route flapper. Make sure to properly clean all areas. Remove the harness cover plate and ice maker cable connectors. After releasing the drain duct, gently pull down to release the cooling loop. Gently pull out the ice maker past the cooling loop. Use the steamer to remove any frost or ice left behind. Remove the auger motor. After removal, check the area for any ice buildup. Remove if there is any. Check the drain hole. Once the auger motor is removed, place it onto a flat surface and remove the screw holding the drain tube heater in place. Next, cut the zip tie and disconnect the harness attaching the drain tube heater to the auger motor. Replace the drain tube heater and connect it to the motor. Now, pass the zip tie through the hole seen here and place the drain tube heater in its desired location. Fasten the zip tie around the foam surrounding the heater. Remove any excess and position the zip tie. Replace the screw securing the heater into place. Use a steamer to remove any ice buildup from this area. Inspect the zip tie and insulation. Adjust if necessary. Remove the old bracket and install the new Y-clip kit. Inspect water inlet and adjust the water hose if necessary. When sealing the gaps, use RTV adhesive sealant. Ensure the tip is cut at a 45-degree angle and apply like shown. Reinstall the auger motor. Remove the back cover of the refrigerator in order to remove the previous PCB. Replace the PCB with the new PCB found in the repair kit. Make sure you have the new ice model before installing. Install the ice maker and ensure the Y-clips are facing down like so. Press the ice maker test button to initiate the ice maker operations test. Reinstall the ice bucket to finish the repair. Once the test is complete, check STG on how to perform a diagnostic test on the unit being worked on and check for any persistent or new error codes.